What's happening? Look at my tongue.
It's not a tongue.
It's a tongue. No, actually, it's a slime. It's a prank. We're gonna teach you how to make a slime. Okay? Hey, we're gonna teach them. Look, you're playing again. I told you. Play later. Yes. Oh.
This is already
We need these materials to make a slime. A slime with no borax and no soap.
Do you know this?
Oh, you hold it. So what's our materials for today? Tiaga, we have a glue. And then
A glass and a spoon.
Yes. What
Baking
about this
soda.
one? Baking soda. Contact lens solution and what else?
Food coloring.
Food coloring.
And
What
this
colors
is
are
how-
available? We have green.
Oh,
What else? Red and
purple.
Purple.
My favorite color.
so what is the first step?
First step, we need glue to put some food coloring.
Yes, we need glue.
Let
You do
me
it.
put our
You do
slime
it.
right here.
Hey, you do it.
Okay, I put it.
You mix it. You mix it.
I do it, I do
Oh,
it.
that's it.
I want to put purple.
Yes. Do it.
I have to
Perfectly.
just put one drop.
Just a drop. Be
Just a little
careful.
bit of drop.
Oh, be the one. You
Put
just mix it. Mix it,
Um,
okay? Just a drop.
Here it comes.
Comes. Oh, that's enough. Oh, you mix it. You mix it until it turns into violet. Mix it. Yes, they're good. Then I'm gonna prepare my own as you mix it. I think we need to add another one.
A
Another
drop.
drop.
Because it's getting a long time.
Oh, what about?
Hey, that's enough.
That's enough. You mix it and then I will prepare my own.
We're gonna prepare.
Yeah, let's see who's better. I'm gonna use a transparent glue.
We need this.
No.
Whoever won the slime contest.
Yes, I'm gonna use this transparent glue.
Mita, you're gonna be the judge. Who's gonna win?
Yes, it's gonna win. It's got a perfect.
I won.
Slime.
I'm gonna
Let's
win.
see.
I'm gonna win.
Let's see. Gonna win this slime challenge.
Mita,
Are
next,
you? Are you
next.
too?
I'm done.
Then we need to add. Wait.
Baking soda.
We need to add a little baking soda. Wait a minute.
Mita, can you give
Oh,
some
you
for
put it
me?
here. So the kids will
Watch it.
Kids watch.
And
So
learn.
then you
Mix it again.
mix it again.
Let me mix it.
Mix it thoroughly until it dissolves. Yes. What about me? I'm not done yet. So I need to pour this glue. You concentrate.
Still become this slime.
Concentrate.
Yes.
Oh, what about? It's kinda sticky.
Yes.
I think that's enough. You need to add this one. You need to add a little contact solution.
That's enough.
Oh,
Enough.
we'll mix it again.
I mixed it 3 times.
I'm gonna do my own slime this time. Let's see. Got a better slime. You or me? I'm gonna use what color? What do you think? No, I'm gonna choose my own.
Green. You have to choose green.
Hey.
Put it right here.
Oh,
Okay, this is our slime.
you mix it thoroughly.
Yeah, just like slime like this.
Yes, not turn out just like that. Just wait.
Debarking. This is supposed to
Be
be.
patient. Hey, you mix it thoroughly. What do you think? You need another
Yes.
drop.
Yes.
It's
So.
kinda sticky. Let's see. Oh no. It's kinda. Oh, that's enough. We need to add this one. We need to add more.
Baking soda.
Can I have a? Okay, just mix it again.
Okay.
What about me? I need to add. What's the spill?
I think this is already sticky.
Not yet. You take time. Hey, look.
Put it on the plastic.
Hey, look. You mix it thoroughly like this now. Yes.
Like this?
Mix it as if you're doing a what kind? Right?
Slime.
Oh, slime. You look.
To make slime, right?
Yes.
I'm almost done.
Look. Is it kind of sticky? Yes. Almost. So we need to add more
Baking soda.
baking soda.
I think it's kind of sticky. See?
Just add more. So
Add more.
this slime.
Add 3 times.
This slime has no borax, so it's safe. No dishwashing liquid or soap. We just put in.
This
Hey,
is bouncy slime.
told you.
Tito Martin, this is
Later.
This is
Later.
bouncy slime.
You're not supposed to play. I told you.
Mix your slime.
Finish your slime first. I'm
Okay.
almost done. You're gonna add. What about color? Green.
You want green. This is the
Green.
color.
Let's see who's got a better slime. Just drop. Hey, oh, it's too much. It's a drop.
Mine is always like slime.
Hey.
What?
You need to add. Hey, you're almost done. Look at you.
Oh! Just ran
Yes. Yes, almost.
It's already slime already.
Yes, you add more.
Baking soda.
No, this one. To make it more sticky. Add.
It's already sticky.
Almost done.
I'm almost done too. Look, oh.
Look. Hey,
Look.
look. You're gonna finish first, I think. Hey. Almost done.
Might be too.
We're running out of time. It's almost okay. Oh.
I'm adding
Enjoying? You're enjoying again. No
Oh.
problem. We're gonna clean the mess later. Hey kids, look. You ask your dad or your mom to help you.
Tita Markin, mine is already done.
Yes, already done. Hey, nice.
Almost done. So let me add some more baking soda to make it
Oh, it's
even more
almost.
sticky.
Yes, it's almost. Oh, you're almost done. Just another. Add another.
I will add a lot.
Just not. Just enough.
I put a lot.
It's up to you. Hey, almost done. I use a transparent glue. When you use a what? A glue. A what? A white glue. Hey, what's happening? Look. Almost. I gotta finish both.
We're almost done. Look.
Almost done. You think we need to add
No.
more?
We need to add
No
more.
more glue.
That is.
Yes. Hey kids, almost.
Look, I'm almost done with my slime.
Yes.
Yes.
You're almost done. Can I lick
Almost
it?
done?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Look, it's turning to slime already. See?
Almost? Oh yes, almost. What about me? What's happening in my slime? Still sticky. What's happening?
I think mine is more pretty, but I added a lot of baking
I need to
soda.
add more
Can you put some for me too?
baking. That's enough. Let's
Close the
see.
bricks.
We're gonna finish.
Mine is almost done. Marky, mine is almost done. See?
Let's see. It's convincing.
Look at mine is already done.
Let's keep going. Look.
It's so fast.
Look it. It's a slime.
Look at mine, so
Okay.
pretty.
What about you? Can I see? Yes. It's almost.
La 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 la. That means.
Let's see. We need to add
Or blue. Can you add some blue for me
Yes.
too?
Of course. As you wish. Your wish is my command. Ah, yes.
Now, we can add some more purple, but
Hey, hey, hey. That's too much. That's too much.
there's only 2 drops.
Okay, okay. No
That's
problem.
enough, that's enough, that's enough.
Of course that's enough. It's too much.
Oh, there's a plate, this is a garnish to purple.
Okay. Okay, kid. This is a slime.
Oh, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet.
Almost done. Yes. Yes. I think using a white glue is much better than this transparent glue that I use a little while. Yes, that's enough. That's good.
Let's drop it.
You've got a slime.
Mine is
look.
cool.
Look it, oh. That's a slime. Yes. Yes. What about? Yes, that's good. That's good. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Whoa.
Wow, beautiful. Wow. Got a perfect slime. What about me? What happened to slime? It's not a perfect slime yet, kids. I'm running out of time. Hey, 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 hey. I need to do it better than Jaja. Oh, she's got a perfect slime. What about me? What's happening? Oh, it's kind of sticky.
You failed, Mito.
I failed.
And I not.
Jaja won again. So that's it, kid. This is our slime. Jaja got a
Better slide.
better slime than
And this
mine.
is not. This
Next
is,
time,
this is
I'll
also
do
big
better.
slide. This is Markin. Mine is so big.
These are so big. What about me?
Let me mix
You
this up.
stretch it. You stretch it. Macy, Macy, can you stretch it?
Of course, I will stretch it.
Oh yes, that's good. You got a perfect slime. Oh, this is our previous slime. Look. Kind of stretchy.
It's kind of
And this
pressy.
one,
Mine is kind of pressy.
this is kind of messy.
You try it.
And I will say,
I'm making,
hey,
I'm making a better slime, right?
you got a score once again.
I have 1 point, so I won the first round.
Yes, it's okay.
I bet we can make another
Oh,
slime. Let's make a lot of slime.
Later, later.
I
As of
wanna try
now,
the
we
one-
need to say goodbye.
Okay.
Say goodbye, Tomel.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, kids.
Kids, learn to do fun exciting. Please don't forget to watch our
Yes.
videos and subscribe.
Yes, thank you, kids. Bye.